Rsd Stretching Challenge question 4. X and Y are two events such that the probability of X happening is 2/5. The probability of X happening, given that Y has already happened, is a half. And the probability of Y happening, given that X has happened, is 2/3. And then we're asked to calculate various probabilities. Now I would set this question up in a Venn diagram. We have got two events, X and Y. And then I would label each section with a letter. So I'm going to call it section A, section B, section C, section D. Obviously, A add B, add C, add D must come to 1. All the different probabilities must add up to 1. Now we're told that the probability of X happening is 2/5. So obviously A add B, the two things that make up X must come to 2/5. The probability of X happening, given that Y has already happened, is a half. So the probability of Y happening is B add C, and the probability of X within that will just be B. So it's B over B add C, and that must come to a half. So obviously, from that, B must equal C. So that the probability of B happening is just a half. B will be the same as C. We're then told the probability of Y happening, given that X has happened, is 2/3. So that's going to be B over A add B. The probability of X happening is 2/3. So obviously B has to be 2 A's. So therefore B is equal to 2A. So if I now go back to my original equation that I wrote down and replace my B with 2A, I will have A add 2A equals 2/5. So therefore 3A equals 2/5 and A equals 2/15. B, which is 2A, will now be 2 times 2/15. So B equals 4/15. C, which is the same as B, will also be 4/15. We're now in a position to actually answer the questions. We want the probability of X and Y, that is the intersection, which will just be B, which we now know is 4/15. The probability of Y, which will just be B add C, which is 4/15 add 4/15, which will be 8/15. The probability of X union Y is the probability of everything within the two circles, which is A add B add C, which is 2/15 add 4/15 add 4/15, which is 10/15, which equals 2/3.